Good morning, children. Today we will see which boat gets how much. How much each boat gets in different trips. How much fish they can catch in different trips. In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kg of fish. Log boat brings 20 kg of fish in one trip. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. Okay, the other boats bring much more than this because they can go little far into the sea compared to the log boat. The table shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table here. Type of boat. Catch of fish in one trip in kg. How many kgs it can bring in one trip. Speed of the boat. That means how far it goes in 1 hour. How many kilometers it can go in 1 hour. Log boat. In one trip it can bring 20 kg fish and it goes 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Long tail boat can go 12 kilometers per hour and it brings 600 kg fish in one trip. Motor boat can bring 800 kg fish in one trip and it can go 20 kilometers per hour. That means in 1 hour it can go 20 kilometers. That is why it can bring this much more kg of fish. Machine boat brings 6000 kg fish in one trip and it goes 22 kilometers per hour. It can go 22 kilometers just in 1 hour. Now we have to look at this table and try to solve the questions given on page number 9. Look at the table and calculate about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Here in this table they have given in one trip how much each boat can bring. We have to calculate how much each boat will bring in 7 trips. So what we have to do? We have to multiply each this one into 7. We'll do that step by step. Okay. See here, children. For the first question, we have to make a column like this and find the answer. Type of boat, we have to write all the different types of boats. Catch of fish in one trip. Okay, in one trip how much it can bring, same as given in the table. Now this extra table we have to column we have to make here and find out how much fish it can bring in 7 trips. One trip 20 kg fish it can bring, log boat. Now in 7 trips it can bring 140 kg fish. We have to multiply 7 into 20, we get 140 kg. Long tail boat 600 kg it can bring in one trip and in 7 trips it can bring 4200 kg. Motor boat 800 kg it can bring in one trip and in 7 trips it can bring 560 kg. Machine boat brings 6000 kg in one trip and in 7 trips 42,000 kg it will catch. Okay. Now let us move to the next question about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours. When you look at the table you can see that motor boat, how far it can go in 1 hour? 20 kilometers. It can go 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So in 6 hours what we have to do? We have to multiply 20 into 6. Let's do that. See, speed of motor boat is 20 kilometers per hour. Distance covered by motor boat in 1 hour is 20 kilometers. Distance covered by motorboat in 6 hours is, when you multiply 20 into 6, we get the answer as 120 kilometers. So we can say that motorboat can travel 120 kilometers in 6 hours. Now look at the next question. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? In this question they have given the distance 60 kilometers they have given. We have to find out how much time it will take to cover 60 kilometers. We know that long tail boat in 1 hour it can go 12 kilometers. So we have to keep on adding like that. In 2 hours 12 plus 12, and in 3 hours 12 plus 12 plus 12, in 4 hours 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, in 5 hours 12 12 12 12 12. If we add, we will get the answer as 60. So we can say that answer is 5 hours. There is a shortcut to do this, that is we have to divide 60 by this 12, then also we will get the answer as 5. Let's do that step by step. From the given table, long tail boat travels at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour. We know this from the table. So time taken by the long tail boat to travel 60 kilometers is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 60 kilometers and the speed of the long tail boat is 12 kilometers per hour. When we do the division, the answer is 5 hours. Okay, till here you have to take the textbook and step by step read and try to understand.